Hi lovely people, welcome all to my channel. On the menu we have Singapore noodles. This is stir-fried cooked rice noodles made using curry powder, vegetables and any protein of your choice. So here I have my ingredients. They will be listed in the description. I will start off by whisking 2 eggs, which is more than enough for this recipe. The eggs will give texture to the noodles and add a source of protein. After whisking, I will set it aside. So this is my rice noodles. Soak it in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. As with any stir fry, make sure you have all your ingredients prepared before you start stir frying. In my wok, I just drizzled 2 tablespoons of oil and added a bit of sliced onion. Stir fry for a minute on medium-high heat. I will go in with my diced garlic cloves and ginger. Stir fry for another minute. The signature flavor in this Singapore noodles recipe is the curry powder, which I just mixed with chili powder and poured it in the wok. You want to allow infusion to take place. Once the flavors are infused, I will go in with the prawns. Stir fry for about 2 minutes. For flavor, I will use 2 shrimp cubes and stir till it's well combined. I'm now going to go in with some corn and stir till it's well combined. Julienned carrots and mix this well. I also have some white sliced cabbage. You can use any vegetables of your choice, okay? You can use more or less. So as you can see, it's well combined and it's coming together beautifully. For the egg part, I'm gonna move the ingredients in the wok to the side and scramble the eggs. You can also scramble your eggs in a separate skillet if you desire. Once it's nicely scrambled, I will mix all the ingredients together. Let's add the sliced bell pepper. You don't want to add it too early, or else it will become too soft. The noodles have softened up and I will now add it into the wok. Although the rice noodles was soaked in hot water, warm water, it looks al dente. Scoop and lift the noodles to loosen it, okay? For flavor, I go in with ground white pepper, light soy sauce for saltiness, dark soy sauce, which will make the noodles darker or dark brown. As you can see, the Singapore noodles is almost cooked through. Allow me to add my sliced scallions as garnish and mix this well. Food is ready and it's time to plate. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and I hope you enjoyed watching this upload. Stay blessed.